thunderstorm warning for central Franklin County in west central Arkansas, central Crawford County in northwestern Arkansas until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:55 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles south of Mountainburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Ozark, Mulberry, Dyer, Altus, Wiederkehr Village, Fern, Jethro, Edna, Alex, Wiederkehr, Meg, Piney, Tony, Cecil, Lonell, Cravens. This includes the following highways. Interstate 40 in Arkansas between mile markers 18 and 42. Interstate 49 between mile markers 25 and 26. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.